Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to track Ethereum Validator balances in real time using Bitquery's Validator Balance Tracker API. Whether you're building a validator dashboard, analyzing staking rewards, or monitoring validator performance, this API gives you everything you need. All the API code is in the description, so make sure to grab it. Let's dive in. So what exactly can you track with this API? First, validator rewards. That's the ETH validators earn from proposing blocks and collecting transaction fees. Second, withdrawals. When validators withdraw their staked ETH or accumulated rewards from the beacon chain. And third, balance changes. Complete before and after snapshots with USD values, so you can see exactly how much a validator earned or withdrew. The key feature here is something called balance change reason codes. These codes tell you why a validator's balance changed. Let me show you the three most important ones. Code 2. Block rewards. When a validator proposes a block, code 3. Withdrawals. ETH coming out of the beacon chain. Code 5. Transaction tips. Those juicy priority fees validators earn from users. Let's start with the most straightforward query. Tracking validator withdrawals. We're using a GraphQL subscription here, which means this streams data in real time. Every time a validator withdraws ETH from the beacon chain, you'll see it instantly. The magic happens in the filter, balance change reason code. Equals 3 series. That's code 3 for withdrawals. The response gives you block timestamp and number, when it happened, pre-balance and post-balance. The before and after, USD values, already calculated for you. Transaction hash, so you can verify on Etherscan, validator address, who made the withdrawal. Now let's track all validator earnings, both block rewards and transaction tips. Notice we're now filtering for codes 2 and 5. Code 2 is the base block reward, and code 5 is the transaction tips. Why track both? Because validator earnings come from two sources: the protocol reward for proposing a block, the priority fees users pay to get their transactions included faster. By combining both, you get the complete picture of validator profitability. This is super useful for validator performance analysis or building APY calculators. What if you want to monitor just one validator? Easy. Just add an address filter. Now you're tracking all balance changes, rewards, and withdrawals for that specific validator address. This is perfect for monitoring your own validator, tracking competitor validators, building validator-specific dashboards, analyzing individual validator performance over time. The documentation also includes some powerful analytical queries. Let me quickly show you 3 of them. Top validators by tips. Want to know which validators earned the most tips in the last 24 hours? There's a query that ranks them with total earnings in both ETH and USD. This uses order by. Descending by field on the total tips and filters for code 5. You get a leaderboard showing validator addresses ranked by earnings, perfect for competitive analysis or finding the most profitable validators. Average tips per block. Track how much validators are earning on average in recent blocks. Great for understanding current network conditions. This query calculates total tip native divided by number of tips for the last 10 blocks. It shows you if tips are trending up or down, helping you predict validator profitability in real time. Tips versus gas fees. Analysis. Compare what users are tipping versus total gas fees. This tells you how competitive the fee market is. All these queries use aggregation functions like sum, average, and calculate to give you insights beyond raw balance changes. All the queries are in the description below. Just copy them into the Bitquery IDE and start exploring. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more blockchain API tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you're building.